Hey guys, what's up? Today we'll be working on the engine for the Subi. Here's what's going on so far. I got the cam carrier, I believe. This one is a brand new one. Then I have some pieces over here. Then I have the right cylinder head right here. We already took out the couple parts off. Everything here looks really good so far. Then this is the exhaust. So we gotta replace this, the cam carrier, and we have to replace the right cylinder head. Cam carrier is messed up right here. I don't know what else is wrong with it. And then right here you can see the cylinder head, how it's cracked right over here. You can see it better from this side. It's like cracked right there. And then I have like all the parts down there. Then I have all my bolts. I have my cam. So all I did with that was that I labeled everything. Where every single bolt came off from, I labeled it. And then I took the right chain as well, the timing chain. And that's it so far. Then of course we got a mess down there, but that's the last thing. That's the last thing we have done is we took apart the brand new one, and we're gonna be mounting the my camshaft, the exhaust camshaft on here, and we're gonna use this oil. Make sure that it rotates. Make sure that it's right. I'm not exactly sure, but I believe it's supposed to mount and be perfectly not aligned, but have the exact measurements and gap. Okay guys, so we went ahead and we cleaned everything with gasoline, including this part right here, and now we oiled everything and we just dropped the cam into the cam carrier. We're about to remove this one right here, and then we're gonna do the same for this side, and then drop everything back on, like all the covers, and then we're gonna bolt everything back into place. Alright guys, so we went ahead and put the both camshafts on here, and everything is perfect. Aside from that, we had the instructions right here, like which one to start with and tighten them, and the foot panels. So far we have not run into any issues. Everything is going smooth, honestly. Next thing is take this off and then do the same but for the head. And then we need all the valves, and this one is definitely gonna take a little bit longer. We're gonna be doing that most likely tomorrow. For now we're gonna get this this new one once we're done working with it, and we're gonna put it in a seal bag and keep it there until we're ready to get everything together, to assemble it all, because we have to do this one next. So far all good. Hey guys, so we went ahead and we took out the old cylinder head, and then we got the valves. Intake valves, they were pretty clean, but for the exhaust ones, they had a lot built up, all this thick, maybe even more. I'm telling you, it was disgusting. I seen it and I was like, yo, that's messed up. I don't know if you can see right here how it has built up in there. Let's see if I can move this right here. Yeah, you can see some in there. The other thing, which is like a super bad thing, right here, this is all really good, like everything's, you know, pristine in there. But the problem is we run into this. This one my dad tried to straighten it out because it was bent just like this one is. Like, you can see how that thing is worked in there. So these are the alignments. So we need new ones. I've been looking online all over the place for the correct ones for the FA20, and I can't find anything. I even went on the on this Facebook groups for FA20s and WRXs, and I haven't found anything that directs me to any part numbers or specs on this. But yeah, so far that's the update. Right now we're getting ready to polish the valves in here and mount them. I have the sorry, I have a mess in this garage. I have the tools right here, and then I have the compound right here. Aside from that, we're gonna go ahead and polish them, get all the cylinder head correct. Then we're not gonna be able to mount it today, although we want it, because of course we gotta, you know, buy new ones. I'm actually surprised this only came with two, and I think it was one on the top. I mean, both of them on the top. I honestly don't understand why, because the car has 6 studs, but only out of those 6, only 2 had them. But you know, Subaru knows what they're doing apparently. So we'll see. Aside from that, the engine is pretty good. Like, I'm actually surprised with everything in here. It's really good. I'm gonna be cleaning all of this up, and when it comes down to the valves like getting dirty again, I'm almost 90% sure that I'll be running methanol, so that's gonna help clean up the valves. And this is how the car currently looks. Everything right here super nice. Yep, I like that. And then just gonna give you a look at that booty. Whew.